Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and record videos with Streamlabs. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. All you need to really do is simply go ahead and open your Streamlabs. I hope you have set it up according to my last video. If you haven't set it up yet, I've made a video on how to go ahead and set up Streamlabs as well. You can go ahead and check that out and come back to this video. So now, in order for you to go ahead and record from Streamlabs, go ahead and click on this gear icon, click on output, and here there's going to be recording output as well. You can go ahead and play around with the recording audio encoder, the stream encoder that you can go ahead and use in order for recording, as you can see. And you can also go ahead and choose just simple or advanced as well, just like that. And you can also go ahead and choose your bitrate. It's going to be dependent on your PC. So however strong your PC is, that's how high your bitrate can be. Make sure that rate control is on CBR and not VBR, constant bitrate. And you can also go ahead and play around with tuning, multipasses if you want to. That's something I don't like to touch, and that's about it. All you need to do in order to record it now is just click on this start recording button right over here, and it will go ahead and start recording, as you can see on the bottom right, and you can just stop recording by clicking on it. That's about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.